It's a little slick. Holy motherfucking shit, boys, I got canceled from work. Okay, so the way that my job is set up, I never know if I'm gonna work at night or not. I never know until about 2 in the afternoon that day, where I have to call in and be like, hey, so what's going on tonight? And he'll be like, okay, you're doing this job. And I'll be like, all right. So then I'll get to the shop and then go do that job. And so today when I called in at 2 o'clock, he was like, hey, you're canceled because of rain. And I was like, what? Party! So yeah, so now I'm just gonna go out and fucking ride around. It's gonna be awesome. I don't know where to go. Zero game plans. It's 5 o'clock. The rain's supposed to come at 8. I don't know. I need a mirror. I have one in my pocket, but it didn't mount on my bike properly, so I couldn't use it. And I took the stock ones off because they suck. I still got fuzzies in my fucking mouth too. God damn it. The only fuzzy I like in my mouth. Never mind. I don't even like that kind of fuzz. Blech. Shave your bushes. I'm gonna go up to Terra Nova. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'm gonna teleport there.
I just wanna stay in the sun where I find. I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much. But it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was. But it's fun to fantasize. Oh, I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Time on my taking my time on my I died for you, that's easy to say. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't seem to see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know what I do. I'd live for you, and that's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write when you know that tonight there were people back home who tried talking to you, but then you ignore them still. All these questions, they're falling like, who would you live for? Who would you die for? And would you ever kill? I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my.
Oh shit, boys, I'm getting wet. Oh, I don't want to ride into the rain. I don't want to get wet. Too high up in the revs. Shit, man, I came out here. I wanted to make a video.
3:30 in the morning.
Now I'm getting rained
Out of
on.
sight.
Well, I can see why I got canceled from work.
City's looking like a ghost town on a moonlit summer night. Raindrops on the windshield as the storm moving in. He's heading back from somewhere that he never should have been. Storm. In the storm. And the thunder rolls. In the storm.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with this video. So if it is a video, thanks for watching. If not, I don't know why I'm still talking. But like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Doses.